Hi, here I'm going to show you the demo for the Android application which we have developed for our mobile dipstick site. In this particular application, we have to log in as a client, and these clients are the users who are driving the cars. This application is basically providing a car users for the reminders of their car services. So basically they don't have to write somewhere else or something like that. So this kind of digital way to get reminders on their phones so that they can have a particular proper maintenance of those cars. So here is what they have to do to use our application. They have to first of all log in as a client, which has been provided to them from our site administrator via text messages. The text messages for their username and password has been sent to them, and they can use it and log in. These users are basically clients of our dealer, because we have developed a site for our dealer Con Honda Auto Group from USA, and they are going to send this particular username and password details and application to download link to those users. After they log in the next page, they can see the next service mileage and the days remaining for that service in few days. Like after 13 days, a Mario has to take his car for the service. At that time, he has to book an appointment and he can get his car service. Currently his mileage is 10,500. So every day this mileage is getting incremented. This mileage is getting incremented by the use of that particular user's usage. Like for Mario, it's around 10 miles per day. So every day this mileage counter is increasing to the 10 miles, and tomorrow this counter will decrease, like 00 months and 12 days. Then after it will show 10 days and so many. So after a user is 1 week far from his service day, he'll get a reminder, or he is away from 500 miles from his service, he'll again get a reminder. This particular screen is allowing customer to enter his mileage. Say for example, his mileages are increased or decreased. It's not following the auto incremented mileages which we are doing in this system, so he can also change his mileages. Likewise, you can say I just changed mileages over here, okay, and it show me the message that mileages has been upgraded. The same mileage can be also viewable over here. The user can also change his mileages over here from the website as well. So basically whatever features are there in the website, that has been automatically applied to the application as well. Likewise, see in this screen, if I am changing the mileage 10,500 in the application, we can see that it's working fine. See, here it's a 10,500. So this is how this application is linked with the site database. This call for the service, using this a user can book his appointment. Like here we can book our appointment. Here we have provided a date picker. Date can be set and save. The appointment has been booked. Next, if you want to do a direct call, then a call can be also booked. This pop-up message reminder for the users so that they can book their appointment via call appointment, so they can come later on and the dealer can have a track of their booked appointment, whether they have called for the service or whether they have filled up the form. So when we click on the OK, it will dial the phone. And when we hang up, it will be redirected to that last screen automatically. So this is how the schedule service form is working. I am explaining further details in my other video. Thank you.